Good afternoon mga ka-travelers. Ha? Alfonso Sobel de Ayala, recognized as among the unwavering pillars of Ayala and Philippine business. Don Alfonso Sobel de Ayala is remembered as a firm yet unassuming father figure to families, several companies, and many Filipinos from all walks of life. Leading the Ayala Group through the Second World War, Don Alfonso's courage amidst extreme pressure, helped by the foundation for the Makati Central Business District, which was among the many seeds that allowed the nation to grow out of the ashes of war. Together with his trusted business partner, Colonel Joseph McMiking, they brought to life what is now the country's heart of commerce and a center for culture and arts. Si ano? Si ano yan? Tyler? Tingnan lang. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. God bless. Please support my channel. Travel time at Europa, Latin America, Asia and Africa. Bye bye.